Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-04005 error in Oracle database 12c. So here I am logged into the SQL plus editor as a common user called c#scout. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay. So now I am going to create one sequence with min value and max value along with increment by. Okay. So let me execute this statement and see what is going to happen. Yes, you can see ORA-04005 increment must be less than max value minus min value error. See here in the SQL statement, increment by value is very higher. Okay, so it's higher than max value. Okay, so that is a problem to cause this ORA-04005 error. So what is solution is you need to mention the increment by value which is max value minus min value. Okay, so now I am providing the increment by correctly, and now you can see sequence is created. So this is the fix for ORA-04005 error.